third grade families. Okay, I just wanted to give you your weekly update about our new week coming up. So the first update that I want to let you all know is that I will be having office hours Monday and Wednesday. Monday's office hours are going to be from 1 to 3, and then Wednesday's office hours are going to be at 9:30 to 10:30. Our classroom meeting is going to be every Friday at 10 a.m. So the office hours are just a place for either the parents to come by and ask questions or help you troubleshoot any problems that are going on. There are also another way if the kiddos want to stop by and have some help on their work. That would be a great time to come by, and I can help and have my full attention to helping. Okay, the next update is that our learning activities are going to look a little bit different because this week the district is expecting each teacher to have 3 literacy activities and 3 math activities. So I have provided each of those, and I did a little bit different setup so that the kiddos know how to do each step. Just a quick little reminder about these. I set these up so that the kiddos can do this pretty independently, and they should be doing this independently. And also working on major skills that we would have been continuing learning during 3rd grade. So I want to take you right to our 3rd grade e-learning site. And I want to talk about a little bit about our new resources. So here's kind of the first layout of our literacy. It's going to be called Literacy MustDo week of April 6th. Let me just put this out there that these do not have to be finished all in one sitting. Some examples of times or some examples of how your student can work throughout the day is 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the afternoon, or an hour each day of work. If they do kind of a little bit each day, they should be able to get this done in the full week, just Monday through Friday. So the first must do is going to be Brave Girl. So they're just going to go to Google Classroom, click on Brave Girl main idea, start their learning activity, and then they're going to look for feedback. The second must do is going to be quizzes. So they're going to have to join myquizzes.com. They're going to type in the quizzes code. They're going to use their real first name, and they have to get at least 75% or higher on the activity. If they don't, they can take the test unlimited times until they reach that 75%. The third must do is going to be Newsela climate change. Same thing, going to Google Classroom, click on Newsela climate change. They're going to start the learning activity. Part of this must do Flipgrid is going to ask for a username. It's just their student password. After they have finished this, they're going to have to choose one of the must-do choices of the week. So one of the must-do choices is either they're going to have to do I Ready, math, or reading. And how they get there is they're going to log into Clever. They're either going to choose reading or math, and they're going to get at least 40 minutes and pass a lesson. Making sure that they rotate between reading and math throughout the week if they decide to do I Ready. Choice 2 is working on math facts, so they're studying their multiplication and division facts for a total of 30 minutes. It can be different times. You can do this via reflex, paper, or a mixture of 2. Choice 3 is going to be read and discuss. They're going to either read a personal book or read something off of Epic for at least an hour this week and start a conversation about it with their teacher on Google Classroom. I will try my best to check daily. So those are the may do choices after they finish their must do. So now let's hop over to the math activities. Math is set up the same way. So here's our math must do. Their first math must do is multiplying and divide. They're going to go to Google Classroom. They're going to click on multiply and divide, practice one, start the learning activity, and then they're going to share it. The second must do for math is that they're going to go to joinmyquizzes.com, type in the quizzes code, and they're going to write their first real name. Same rules apply. They have to get 75% or higher, and they can take it unlimited times. Fluently multiply and divide is their last must do. They're going to go to Google Classroom, click on fluently multiply and divide. They're going to start their learning activity and then they're going to share it with me. So that's their learning boards for this week of what they must get done and then their may do's. So the may do is the same thing. So anything that they finish for their must do, they have to choose one of these 3 activities to share with me. Please remember that these activities do not have to be finished all in one setting. Yes, it looks like a lot, but it's a week's worth of work. So if you break it up, just like I said, a half an hour in the morning, half an hour in the evening, they should be able to get all of this done in the week. Now I want to take you to Google Classroom. So now helping guide your student through Google Classroom, but they should all be able to know how to do this and walk through this. I have put helpful guides to the learning board for the students, and then I have also posted their must-do learning boards on the stream page so they know what they're expected to do. Same thing for classwork. So if they go up to the tab for classwork, everything is listed right here, what they must do first for literacy, the grammar quiz, Newsella, multiply and divide, the multiplication quiz, fluently, multiply and divide. And then this is the may do choice 3, read and discuss. That is all I have for you about these new learning activities. If you have any other questions or comments or even concerns, please don't hesitate to email me. These are the 3 activities for literacy and math that must be completed, and that's the expectation for this week. But please reach out if you're having difficulties with anything. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I answered most of your questions about these learning activities. Have a great week, and I will keep you updated if I hear anything new. Thank you for watching.